Caterpillar D10R20W5. This machine isn't just a bulldozer, it's a legend, a powerhouse designed to move mountains and withstand the most extreme working conditions in the world. When you think about raw power, durability, and engineering excellence, the D10R is one of the first machines that comes to mind. This crawler dozer stands tall not just in size but in capability, and it's become a cornerstone in operations where productivity and performance are critical. So what makes the D10R so special? Let's talk about that. Starting with its design, the D10R is built on a rugged undercarriage with a high drive system that not only improves durability but also makes maintenance easier. The elevated sprocket design isolates the final drives from ground shock, giving this dozer a longer life under intense workloads. Its modular construction means components are easier to remove and repair, reducing downtime, which translates to better efficiency on the job site. Under the hood, the D10R is powered by a Cat 3 412E engine delivering around 580 horsepower depending on configuration. This V12 turbocharged diesel engine is all about torque. It's tuned for high productivity and fuel efficiency, and its cooling system is engineered to perform in the harshest environments, whether that's scorching heat, dusty terrain, or freezing temperatures. The 20W5 series is known for its robust hydraulics and smooth control, giving operators the precision needed for fine grading as well as the brute force for ripping through tough soil or rock. One of the standout features of the D10R is its blade options. Most models come with a semi-universal blade or a universal blade, with the SU blade offering a balance between capacity and penetration and the U blade offering maximum material handling capacity. This means whether you're pushing dirt, coal, or overburden, the D10R can be customized for optimal performance. Ripper options include single or multi-shank configurations, giving you the flexibility to break through compacted materials or rip deep into hard surfaces. The operator's station is another area where Caterpillar excels with the D10R. Comfort and control come first. The cab is isolation mounted to reduce vibrations and noise, and features an ergonomic layout for long hours of operation. Controls are fully integrated and intuitive, with optional features like air suspension, seating, climate control, and advanced monitoring systems to keep the operator informed of machine status and performance data. This combination of power and comfort helps reduce operator fatigue and boosts productivity across long shifts. Let's talk about where the D10R really shines in the field. Whether it's at a mining site, a large-scale construction project, or in a land clearing operation, the D10R is built for high-load continuous work. Its frame is designed to endure the heaviest stresses, and its weight distribution gives it superior traction and balance even on steep slopes or uneven terrain. The D10R's powertrain is built for durability. The torque divider and planetary power shift transmission work together to transfer power efficiently and smoothly across different ground conditions while protecting the engine from sudden load spikes. This means fewer breakdowns and longer intervals between service. The D10R's hydraulic system is another engineering marvel. It's responsive, powerful, and reliable, and when paired with advanced blade and ripper control, it gives the operator a level of finesse you wouldn't expect from a machine this large. It's this combination of force and precision that makes the D10R a favorite among seasoned dozer operators. Maintenance on the D10R is straightforward thanks to Caterpillar's emphasis on serviceability. Centralized service points, modular components, and ground-level access help technicians get work done faster and safer. The electronic control modules provide diagnostics and fault codes, making it easier to pinpoint issues before they become major problems. Fuel economy is another area where the D10R stands out. Despite its size and power, it's designed to be fuel efficient, and that means lower operating costs over time and fewer refueling intervals on the job site. Now let's talk about the legacy. The D10R has been a trusted name since its introduction in the late 90s. It's been deployed in some of the toughest places on Earth, from remote mining camps in Australia to massive infrastructure projects across North America. The 20W5 variant in particular is well known among collectors and contractors for its balance of vintage reliability and powerful performance. It has become a benchmark machine among older generation dozers, proving time and again that classic Caterpillar engineering holds up even decades later. In many cases, these machines have been rebuilt or overhauled multiple times and are still working daily. This kind of longevity is rare and speaks volumes about the quality of the D10R. In terms of value retention, the D10R is one of the top performers in the used equipment market. Its parts are still widely available, and Caterpillar continues to support this model through its dealer network and online platforms. This